My name is Markus Focke. I am one of 3 founders of oee.ai, the solution for increasing your equipment productivity. oee.ai is a powerful app for manufacturing intelligence. The app is mapping machine data, operator knowledge and planning data from your ERP system to improve the OEE, the overall equipment effectiveness. oee.ai connects to your PLC, for example your PLCnext controller, securely to the cloud and enables visualization and analytics of your equipment productivity in real time. With this data, oee.ai analyzes the production flow with algorithms to identify optimization potential. Additionally, oee.ai gamifies the working experience for your operators. Anden boards are used for a little nudging of operators. oee.ai can be used across all equipment-based industries, from small plants to large production facilities. Common use cases are optimization of filling equipment in the consumer goods industry or machining equipment in automotive suppliers. The concept of OEE works in all industries. Take the opportunity to test the app with our free trial version. Simply download it from the PLCnext Store and start right away.